Ha, man, what a good day it is today. I mean, I'm still recovering from this cold I have just a little bit. I have no more fever, I'm probably not contagious. It's great. Me, I can finally do things. Oh, that was a big burp. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Ouch. Oh, what's happening? Why am I burping so much? Whatever. You know what? I want to invite a friend over or something. That'd be fun. You know what? I'm gonna get my phone, just call somebody. Alright, I'm gonna call Alicorn. Boop. 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 Hey Burtle, what's up? Oh, nothing much, Alicorn. You wanna come to my place and hang out for a bit? Why not, Burtle? Let's go hang out and have some fun, because I'm Alicorn, Aliflip, Are you okay? No. I'll see you then, Burtle. Alright, bye, Alicorn. Alright, Alicorn's gonna come hang out. Oh, why am I burping so much? Whatever. Alright, it's gonna be fun. What, is Alicorn already here? What, that was so quick. Okay, let me go get the door. Stupid door. Hey, Alicorn. Alright, bro, let's hang out. Okay, Alicorn, didn't expect to get here so quick. Whew. Alright, let's go. Alright, Alicorn. What should we do? Wow, you just burped. A cool burp, Burtle. Oh yeah, Aliflip, Alicorn, upside down, Alicorn. Cool, Alicorn. That was a pretty nice burp, I guess. Alright, what do you want to do, Alicorn? Alicorn, what are you doing? Look up, Burtle. No, we're not doing this, Alicorn. Snap out of it. We're not staring at the ceiling, seeing it all, and not letting the pieces fall. Oh, but I like doing that. I do that 17 times a day. Oh, Alicorn, you have problems. And how long do you do this for? Like 2 hours each. Oh my god, Alicorn, that math doesn't even equate, I don't think. Yeah, there's like 25 hours in a day, and you said 2 hours each time, times 17. That's like over 30, like 35 or something. Oh my god. Ooh, I smelled that one, Burtle. I smell like cheese and poop. And poop, Alicorn. Yeah. Okay, but seriously, what should we do? We'll play some Nintendo Switch. You know what? Yeah, let's play some Switch. Let me go get my OLED. Press the button. Alright, Alicorn, got the Switch. Oh yeah, what are we gonna play? What are we gonna play? What are we gonna play? Well, I don't think I have any games in here right now, so let me just go grab a game card. Okay, Burtle. Where are my game cartridges? Nope, not under there. What the heck did I just hear? A Ponzi? What even was that? They should be in this case. Where are my game cards? Why are they not in here? You need some help down there, Burtle? No, I got it, Alicorn. It's just... I don't know where my game cartridges went. I swear they're not in their normal spot. Well, is there anywhere else they could be? Yeah, I'm gonna go check this other spot, I guess. Open this up. Gotta need to oil this. They're not in here either. Man, how are we gonna play Nintendo Switch with no game cards? I mean, we could watch YouTube on it, I guess. Yeah, but that's kind of boring. Oh my god. Ouch. Well, if we can't do anything or something, then I'm out of here. What do you mean, Alicorn? What? That was dumb. If we were gonna watch YouTube. Oh my god, I can't stop burping. Johnny. Oh yeah. Okay, let's turn this off. Not waste the battery. And now what am I gonna do? I don't even know. Maybe I should see if someone else can come over. Let me call someone. It was really messed up.
Yeah, sounds like it, Burtle.
Yeah, but at least you're here now, Burtle, too. So what do I do?
I'm not Burtle. Whatever you want to do.
We're watching TV?
Yeah, sure, let's watch some TV.
Alright, let me get the remote. Oh my god, okay, I have the remote.
But Burtle, you okay? So now you're burping a lot.
Yeah, I think I'm fine, but I've been burping on all day. Alright, let's turn the TV on. That was too hard. There we go. Alright, TV on. Let's pick up some channel here. Oh my god.
Burtle, are you sure you're okay?
I don't even know at this point, Burtle, too.
Hold up, I hear my phone. I left it in the other room. Let me go see.
Okay. Man, what is up with my burping? Just need to stop burping! Burtle, just stop burping! Burtle, no, just... Belch! Oh my, that! Just stop! Oh my god.
So Burtle, I actually have to get going. I need to go deal with some family stuff, and I didn't realize I really had to go do all this. I'm sorry, Burtle. I would love to hang and just chill out and stuff, but you're having some kind of burping issue anyway, so I should probably just get on our own.
I mean, that's okay, Burtle, too. We should stop by for a little bit.
Yeah, hope the burping stops. Bye, Burtle.
Bye, Burtle, too. Burtle 2. Oh my god, that's Burtle 2's name. I need to get help or something. That's me, master. Oh my god, I just my throat. Now just take me a little nap. Maybe I won't burp. Oh, no, I can't do this crap. Oh, I'm done. Stupid stinky me, stupid stinky Burtle and her burps. Yeah. Toss TV remote. Oh, I just threw it on my Switch OLED. What even ever? Doesn't matter.
Hey, Burtle.
Hey, Hatchmal, what's up?
Nothing much, just curious to see what you're up to and stuff. I just got back from work for the moment, so just figured I'd, see what you're doing, Burtle.
Well, nothing much, Hatchmal, but look, Hatchmal, I have a problem. Like, a huge problem.
What's that, Burtle?
Well, oh my god, I don't know if you can tell, but I keep burping. Like, I can't stop burping, Hatchimal, and I figure you're a doctor, so maybe you'll know something.
You can't stop burping, Burtle? Did you, drink some soda, or, eat anything that you think would make you burp?
I don't think so, Hatchimal. I mean, just had breakfast this morning, just had some cereal, and drinking some water, and that's it. I literally hadn't even had anything that calls for this. I just can't stop.
Huh, this really makes no sense, Burtle. I mean, these burps are big and a little bit smelly, too.
Yeah, I'm sure they are, Hatchimal. What do I even do?
Well, I mean, if it persists for longer, I would, get checked out or something, but I literally don't even know anything about this, so I hope the other docs could know something, because I don't. I mean, newest doctor after all. I've only been working there for 4 years, so there's not all that I know, to be fair, so I don't even know.
That's when you still sound a bit stuffed up. You getting any better from this cold?
Yeah, I'm getting better. It just sucks that I had to spread.
Yeah, we're in the same household after can't stop it.
Okay, Burtle, this is a problem.
Yeah, sure is.
I gotta make a run real quick, so, I mean, I'd love to help you, Burtle. I mean, I'm your husband after all, but I'm a little bit of time crunch right now, so I really can't.
No, trust me, it's okay, Hatch. We'll just... Hold on. Oh, that wasn't necessarily wanting to sneeze, but just...
Yeah, this cold's been kind of brutal, but... Alright, let me get back to work, though, if you say it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine, Hatch. We'll all get help.
Okay.
Okay.
Get help.
Oh my god. No, I'm done. I need help right now. I'm going to the hospital. Okay, so on my way, walking to the hospital. Oh my gosh, I gotta do something about this. Well, I mean, I'm headed in the right place. That's all that matters. Whoa, is that glittery Burtle over there?
Hey, Burtle, what's up?
Nothing much, glittery Burtle, but oh, I'm on my way to the hospital. I have something wrong. I can't stop burping, glittery Burtle.
Ew, Burtle, those burps are stinky and gross sounding. You need to get that checked.
Yeah, I know. It sucks. I hate it. Oh, I can't stop, glittery Burtle.
I can't wait for you, Burtle. These burps are stinky and stupid.
But glittery Burtle, I can't. No. You know, that. Oh god, I'm done. Back to the hospital. Back on my way. I ain't gonna stop for anybody. Alright, another patient cured, Black. Yep, that's great, Kenny. Alright, it's just us and Bootsy right now. I don't have any other help. We're doing an amazing job. Yeah, it's been a pretty slow day, Kenny, so we're doing good. I hear the chat about us doing a good job, guys. Yep, we are, Bootsy. Yep, that's what we're chatting about. Man, Kenny, I can't believe how long we've been working together. Man, oh, Bootsy, it's really been lots of years. I should probably go get some water, though. Yeah, take your time, Kenny. Go get some water. Yeah, go get some water, Kenny. Alright. Man, Bootsy, this is great. Yep, I know, Black. Okay, I think I see some more people coming, though. Yep, we'll wait for Kenny to come back, and then we'll take some more people back. Yep, sounds good. I can't do this anymore. Okay, I'm here. I made it to the hospital. Whoa, is that Burtle over there? Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, hey, Burtle. It's me, Kenny.
Hey, Kenny. Whoa, you're at the hospital, Burtle? That doesn't sound like a time to play around. What's going on with you, Burtle? Whoa, dang, Burtle. Oh yeah, Kenny, that's the problem. I can't stop burping, Kenny. It's getting worse and worse and worse and worse. It wasn't this bad when this all started, but now it's gotten way worse. Whoa. You can't stop burping, Burtle? Burpy Burtle, burpy Burtle. Okay, but seriously, we need to not play around here. Oh my god, Burtle, you do not sound okay. Guys, have you ever seen anything like this? Nope. Never, Kenny. Me neither, Kenny. I'm shocked. Okay, Burtle, let's get you back. You're very important right now. Okay, let's go. I'll follow you guys. Alright, right this way, Burtle. This is insane. I know, Bootsy. Insane. Oh my god. Alright, we're in a room. Oh my gosh. This just sucks so much. It's okay, Burtle. We're gonna help you out. Let's get straight to business. Yep, let's do it. All three of us could surely figure out what's wrong with Burtle, right, Kenny? Yeah, Bootsy. High five. We got this. Yep, we sure do, Kenny. Alright, Burtle, so when did this all start? If Burtle ever even gets to answer it, Black. It's kind of funny, Kenny, but it's also unfair to Burtle. Yeah, it kind of is, Kenny. Oh my god. It all started about 2 hours ago. And I had Alicorn and Burtle too over different times. And then Hatchimal and stuff. It just keeps getting worse. You're getting help. Help me. Oh my god, Burtle, that was funny. That was kind of funny. Thanks, Black. Oh, dang, okay, only 2 hours ago. Did you eat anything that would make you burp, Burtle? Like, I don't know, some chips or like maybe drink some like soda or something? Yeah, good point, Bootsy, good points. No, I didn't. All I had this morning was some cereal and just a lot of water. Cereal and water. Cereal and water. So you poured water in your cereal. Hee! Just kidding, Burtle. Just messing with you, like I like to do. But we gotta get serious here. So that one calls it. Yeah, you're right about that, Kenny. That one calls it. My ear's really twitching on this one. This makes no sense. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this. Me neither. And I've been working here the longest out of all of you two. Plus all the other people have been working here. So literally, I should know something about this. But I've never come across a case like this. What could it be, Kay? Like burpitis or something? Burpitis, Burtle. I mean, Kenny, Burtle kind of has a point. It sounds unrealistic, but it's like some kind of burpitis of some sort. Yeah, Kenny, I mean, it does make somewhat sense. I guess you're right, guys, but how do we cure this? How do we cure burpitis? I mean, what do we do for burpitis? What even is burpitis? I mean, you're looking at burpitis, Kenny. It's this, Kenny. Okay, Burtle really cannot stop burping, can she? Be crumb. What do we do? I don't know, Burtle's having like the biggest burp attack ever. You have to give like Burtle oxygen or something. Can Burtle even like breathe between these burps? I don't know. I'm kind of freaking out. I'm gonna get some oxygen ready just in case. Be right back, guys. Thanks, Bootsy. Oh god. It's finally over. It's finally over for now. Okay, I got the oxygen ready just in case, Kenny. But I'm glad to see that Burtle finally stopped burping for the moment. Yeah, me too, Kenny. Man, what could even cause this? I'm really scratching my head on this one. I mean, there's just nothing to cure burps. Burps cure in our stomach. Our stomach. That's something. Okay, we need to look at Burtle's stomach. How do we look at Burtle's stomach, Kenny? Well, I mean, we could do an endoscopy, but that requires sedation, but, like, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Or we could do some kind of an ultrasound with our machines, but probably an endoscopy would do the best. Okay, so are we going to do an endoscopy then? I mean, I guess so. Wait, so what's an endoscopy, Kenny? Well, Burtle, it's basically when we sedate you. Can you hear me, Burtle? Yes. Oh, wait. Okay, so it's when we basically sedate you, and we basically put a tube down your throat, which is kind of like a camera, and we're also able to see in your stomach and just see how things are going. So hopefully we could somehow see what's happening.
But would it be dangerous with me burping?
Would it be dangerous with you burping? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
I mean, a little, but we pretty much know what we're doing, so hopefully it would go fine, and hopefully we can figure out why you're so burpy, Burtle.
I'm so burpy.
That's right, Burtle, you're so burpy. You're so burpy, and Ryan's so farty.
What was that?
Just a figment of your imagination, Burtle. Now let's get ready for that endoscopy. Alright, Burtle, now that we got you all prepped, I'm going to start the sedation for your wing, okay? The IV.
Okay, boy, got it. Ow.
Just try to relax. I know the burps are a lot. Okay, got Burtle out. Alright, everything going good, Black? Yep. Okay, he's just getting his things ready, so we'll be ready to start it soon. Alright. Ooh, Burtle stopped burping for the moment. What the sedation just, kind of numb the burps for a minute or something. That kind of makes sense, I suppose. Yeah, I don't know. Well, they're back. Yep, they sure are. More quiet and like natural though. Huh. This is just strange. Alright guys, got all the equipment. Now let's do this endoscopy. And so, they began doing the endoscopy. But by the end of it, they were more puzzled with than they begin with. I don't see anything wrong. Like, not a thing. So you're saying that Burtle's just burpy? Yeah, Burtle just appears to be burpy. Like, very, very burpy. Out of nowhere. What do we do, Kenny? What do we even do for this? I don't know. I literally don't know. I mean, maybe if we just, snap our fingers and say, no more burps for the Burtle. I am helping, and we hadn't even waken up Burtle yet. Yep, let's just wake her up now. Burtle. Oh my god, is it over, Kenny? I feel tired. Try to sit up, Burtle. Oh, how did it go? Burtle, you're going to be so shocked with this news. We found nothing wrong. Yeah, absolutely nothing. There's just no explanation to your burps, Burtle. You're saying there's no explanation to my burps? What am I gonna do? I just can't even stop burping. Burp is my life at this point. I'll never stop burping. Wait, bro, this is like the longest you've gone without burping. Yeah, this is a good sign. You're right, guys. This is a good sign. I'm not burping. Oh my god. No, no, no. It was all to make room for that, wasn't it?
Jonathan, stop it, please. No, there's no more burps.
What, Burtle, are you okay? I can't take the burps anymore. And the please, something. Okay, we gotta think fast. This is getting torturifying to Burtle. What a big word, Kenny. A+. Thanks, Bootsy. What do I ask a magical Hatchimal? And you could do that, Kenny, but it would take time to get one. Now if I just snap my fingers and say, "Oh, blue and yellow dragon!" Well, Kenny, I've already sensed something's up. So tell me what's going on, buddy. Well, blue and yellow dragon, basically the problem's over there. Oh my. Like, Burtle can't stop burping? Yeah. and we've already asked like the common questions of like, was it soda, was it food? We did an endoscopy. There's nothing wrong with Burtle's stomach. I don't know what to do, Blue Nose Draggle. What do we do? So you're saying this seems like something more of my power? I mean, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I guess it's possible that Burtle could have like some kind of a curse or something, but like, I don't really know how to revert it, but I guess I could try one spell here. Let's try this. See if that does anything. Oh my god, could I just please stop burping? Okay, it stopped for the moment. How long is it gonna stop for, though? How many seconds will be to burps again? That burp felt more natural or something. What is that, Burtle's stomach? Sure sounds like it, Kenny. Whoa, that was a killer fart. That was disgusting. If I had a vac attack here, but it really isn't Burtle's fault anyway. Don't tell me I have like fart attacks now. Did someone say heart attacks? No, I said fart attacks, Black. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Maybe I should just try to stand up again. Well, Burtle isn't burping yet. I mean, that's good. I mean, that fart was killer, and it still smells a bit. Huh. But Burtle, you're not burping. Wait, you're right. I'm still not burping, and it's been like 30 seconds? Well, I'm not burping. I'm not burping. I'm not burping. I'm not burping. No. Whoa. Oh my god. No, I thought we were on to something. I mean, maybe your spell helped a little. I don't even know if that's even possible, Kenny. Maybe it was just a coincidence. Right, Blue Nose Draggle. Is there anything else at all you could try? Oh, not me, but I mean, we could like pray to the Kennyland gods or something that it's just stops. I guess we could do that. Okay, guys, get in the praying position. Okay. Please just work. Dear Kennyland gods, me, Bootsy, Black, and Blue Nose Draggle come to you in prayer today. Well, and Burtle, but Burtle's too busy burping. Come to you to pray that you cure this burping problem that Burtle currently has. This we say in your name. Amen. 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 Burtle, please just stop burping. I feel so bad for her. I know, Bootsy, this is just getting crazy. Oh, that hurt. Did it work, guys? I'm not burping now. I mean, that's only determined by what will happen. And about 6 minutes later... What? I'm not burping. I'm still not burping. No. I mean, that seemed kind of, like, normal. It did. I mean, you only did one little burp. Burtle, I think we fixed your burping problem, and the gods did something! Or you just decided that you're done with this video idea, and that was a funny idea from Ryan after all, but simply, the one thing that makes sense is that you control Burtle's burps, Kenny, and that you are so burpy. I'm so burpy! And he's so farty! And together, we made for the funniest Kennyland video you've ever watched. I caught Ryan farting in 4K. Oh wait, this camera probably records in like 720 to 1080. Dang it. Should we just end the video, Kenny? I think we should just end the video, Bootsy. Good idea.